Lucidic AI is a powerful new AI software that's taking the digital world by storm. And today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or someone looking for the latest in AI, you'll want to stick around for this. And if you want to try Lucidic AI for yourself, make sure to grab the free trial from the link in the description below. So, what makes Lucidic AI stand out? First, the software offers an intuitive user interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. If you're used to other complex AI tools, Lucidic is refreshing in its simplicity. It's designed to get you up and running quickly, so you can start leveraging AI for your business or personal projects almost immediately. One of the most impressive features of Lucidic AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It excels at understanding and generating human-like text, which makes it a perfect fit for everything from content creation to customer service. If you've been looking for a tool that can generate high-quality written material without the usual AI-generated awkwardness, Lucidic's NLP engine will impress you. In addition to content creation, Lucidic AI offers advanced automation features. Whether it's automating customer support with AI-driven chatbots or streamlining your social media management, Lucidic handles it all. You can set up workflows that save time and eliminate tedious manual tasks, freeing up your team to focus on higher-level work. The software integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, HubSpot, and more, making it easy to plug into your existing business operations. Another standout feature is its ability to generate data-driven insights. Lucidic AI isn't just about automating tasks. It also gives you a deep understanding of how your business is performing. With its built-in analytics dashboard, you'll get real-time insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and even competitor analysis. This makes it an invaluable tool for digital marketers who need to stay ahead of the competition. What really sets Lucidic AI apart is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out or a large enterprise managing a team, Lucidic grows with you. The platform allows for customizable plans to suit different business sizes and needs, so you're never paying for more than you need. And as your business grows, the software adapts to handle the increased complexity. While the software offers a ton of powerful features, it also comes with a few limitations. For example, the learning curve for some of the more advanced features can be a bit steep. However, once you get the hang of it, the capabilities are second to none. And with the frequent software updates, Lucidic AI is only going to get better over time. Finally, I have to mention the customer support. If you ever run into a snag, Lucidic AI's support team is available 24/7. They're knowledgeable and always quick to respond, which is a huge bonus when you're dealing with advanced software like this. So, is Lucidic AI the best just released AI software on the market? Absolutely. With its robust feature set, ease of use, and scalability, it's definitely one to keep an eye on, especially if you're serious about using AI to grow your business or streamline your operations. Now, before you go, make sure you check out my recommended AI software list in the description below. After trying thousands of tools, these are the ones that consistently stand out, and they're available for free trials so you can test them for yourself. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab that free trial of Lucidic AI if you're ready to see how it can transform your business